I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling.
Pininfarina Battista edition debuts Nino Farina tribute for F1. Only 5 of the colorful EV hypercars will be built, and you can see them at this year's Goodwood Festival of Speed. It's hard to believe, but it's been several years since the Pininfarina Battista was announced, and 2019 was when this electric hypercar debuted, packing a powertrain from Rimac under the body of a Pininfarina. The production version is finally launching in 2022, and now, there's a new special edition that pays homage to Pininfarina's history as well as Formula 1. Her name is Battista Edizione Nino Farina, and as you might guess, Nino Farina was the inspiration for this model. He was the first official Formula 1 world champion, having achieved the title in 1950 driving an Alfa Romeo in the inaugural FIA World Drivers' Championship. His uncle is Battista Farina, founder of Pininfarina and the person who named the hypercar, Automobili Pininfarina's first full-fledged car. History lessons aside, Farina's legacy is given shape through a look package that begins with a Rosso Nero coating for the exterior, accented with flashes of white, Bianco Sestriere, and blue, Iconia blue. Black finishes adorn the roof and door tops, with carbon fiber showing on the side mirrors, ground effect and a number of trim items. Bespoke gold wheels and O1 side graphics complete the package on the outside. The interior is awash with leather, including the deliberately mismatched front seats. The driver sits on a black seat while the passenger is brown, but both share Nino Farina's signature. There are more blues and reds in the cabin for contrast, not to mention carbon fiber and aluminum.
If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go.
Only 5 units will be built, and each will sport a special door plate to commemorate a specific moment in Farina's life. As such, no 2 cars are identical. There are no changes to the powertrain for the Edizione Nino Farina, but that doesn't really matter considering that the engine already produces 1,877 horsepower, and each wheel has its own motor, powered by a 120 kWh battery. At full speed, the Battista can reach 60 miles per hour, 96 km per hour, in less than 2 seconds and keep going for a top speed of 217 miles per hour, 349 km per hour. It's one of the fastest production vehicles in the world, and if you keep your foot on the accelerator wisely, the Battista can travel around 300 miles, 482 kilometers, on a single charge.
My tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling.
Automobili Pininfarina didn't mention a price for the Edizione Nino Farina, but with the standard Battista costing $2.2 million, it's a pretty penny. However, you will be able to see it live at the 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed, where it will appear in public and test itself on that famous hill.
Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.